close packed structures. In solids, the constituent particles are closely packed, leaving minimum vacant space. In the solids, what happens in the solids? The constituent particles, the particles of solids are closely packed. It is assumed that these particles are hard spheres of a same size. Let us consider these constituent particles are identical hard spheres. Let us assume these constituent particles in the sphere of the same equivalent size. The packing of these spheres takes place in such a way that they occupy the maximum available space. They must and should occupy the maximum space, and there must be a minimum empty space. And hence this crystal has a maximum density. Okay, and build up the three-dimensional structures in 3 steps. They will build up the three-dimensional structure in the 3 different ways. This type of a packing is called as close packing structures. These close packing structures can be explained in the 3 different ways. The first way is close packing in 1 dimension. The second one is close packing in 2 dimension. Third one is close packing in 3 dimension. First we will learn the close packing in 1 dimension. Close packing in 1 dimension. There is only one way of arranging spheres in 1-dimensional packed structures. In the close packing 1 dimension, we will find only one way. There is only one way of arranging the spheres in a 1-dimensional closed packed structure. That is what that is. That is to arrange them in a row and touching to each other. That is to arrange them in a row. That they are arranged in a row by touching each other. See here, they are touching each other and they are arranged in a row. Not horizontal, but in a row, in a close packing in 1 dimension. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with 2 of its neighbors. Okay, when you look at this sphere, you will find it is in contact with the 2 other spheres, right? It is in contact, it is touching the 2 other spheres, that is they are neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called as coordination number. Okay, this is a particle, it has 2 neighbors, right? It has 2 neighbors. This is called as coordination number. In the close packing in 1 dimension, there is the coordination number is 2. Thus, in 1-dimensional close packed arrangement, the coordination number is 2. In this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with the 2 most of its neighbors. Thus, in 1-dimensional closed pack arrangement, the coordination number is 2. What is coordination number? The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called as coordination number. This is the diagrammatic of a close packing of a spheres in 1 dimension. In 2 dimension. In 1 dimension, there is only one way of arranging the sphere, that is to arrange them in a row. They are arranged in a row, touching to each other, in contact with each other. They are close to each other. But in a close packing in 2 dimension can be generated by the stacking the rows of a closed pack spheres. This can be done in a 2 different ways. Okay, close packing in 2 dimension can be done in a 2 different ways. The first way is the spheres in the second row may be placed in such a way that they are touching the spheres of the first row and are exactly above the spheres of the first row. What happens in these? The spheres of the second row, this is a second row, are exactly placed in such a way that they are touching the first row. They are placed in such a way that they are exactly above the first row and they are touching the first row. In the same way, third row is done by touching the second row, and fourth row by third row, touching the third row. If the first row is A type, if this is a A type, The second one will also be the A type. The second row will also be A type. What does this mean? This means they are same, they are equal, they look same, they are touching each other above the first row. Hence we can call this type of arrangement as A type of arrangement. We call this type of arrangement as A type of arrangement. We have learnt the coordination number. What is coordination number? The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called as coordination number. This is a particle and it has four neighbors, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This particle is touching the 4 neighbors. Okay, in this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with the 4 of its neighbor, right? Therefore, coordination number is 4. So, the coordination number is 4 and it is a square packed. They are squarely packed. This packing is also called as square close packing in 2 dimension. In type of close packing in 2 dimension, the spheres in the second row may be placed in the depression of the first row as shown in figure. The second row is placed in such a way that they are depression of the first row. Depression means they are the center of the 2 spheres of the first row. It is observed that second row is different from first row. Yes, here the second row is different from the first row and fourth row is different from the third row. They are different from each other. If the first row is A type, if this is A type, then the second will be of B type. The second row may be called as B type. When the spheres in the third row are placed in the depression of the second row, the third row formed is exactly similar to the first row. Here what happens, the spheres in the third row are placed exactly to the depression of the second row. The third row formed is exactly similar to the first row. They are exactly similar to the first row, and the fourth row formed is exactly similar to the second row. The fourth row is similar to the second row. Hence, this type of arrangement is called as AB type of arrangement. Hence, this type of arrangement is called as AB type of arrangement. Okay. There is a coordination number in this. Coordination number is the number of neighbors, nearest neighbors of a particle is called as coordination number. See, in this arrangement, each sphere is touching the 6 other spheres. Okay, this is the sphere and it is touching the 6 other spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arrangement, each sphere is touching the 6 other sphere. This is the sphere, it is touching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is touching the 6 other spheres and its structure is hexagonal close packing. Therefore, the coordination number is 6. On joining the centers of the 6 spheres touching a particular sphere, hexagon is formed. Yes, here the hexagon is formed. This type of arrangement is called as dimensional hexagonal close packing. Hence, it has a 6 coordination number and it is hexagon in structure, so it is called as 2-dimensional hexagonal close packing. Close packing in 3 dimensions. Close packing in 2 dimensions can be done in the 2 different ways, that is square close packing in 2 dimensions and hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. Close packing in 3 dimensions. 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional square closed packed layers. In this arrangement, spheres of the second row are exactly above those of this first row. The spheres of the second row are exactly above those of the first row. They have horizontal as well as vertical alignment. They have horizontal as well as vertical alignment. In the same way, more layers can be arranged as shown in figure. More be arranged. If the arrangement of the sphere in the first layer is A type, Then the arrangement of all the layers is of the same type, that is A type. Such type of arrangement is known as A infinite type. The lattice thus generated is known as simple cubic lattice. Hexagonal close packing. Three-dimensional close packed structures can be generated by packing layers one over the other. Three-dimensional close packed structures can be generated by placing the layers one over the other, placing second layer over the first layer, placing third layer over the second layer.